it's me, Sam. Guys, it's me, Sam. For today's video, we were going to the river, which is to the Mabator Falls River. And guys, I am with my friends to experience and to see the beautiful of the falls there. So guys, let's go!
Ibaba mo, isang kamay lang. Ang inatatlo, dapa. Ang inadapa lahat. May tatlo nga tayo dam. Ito nga rin, hindi ano guys. Saan palagi nga sa bag mo?
We are here at the where? Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Paano tayo tataas mamaya? Paano ako bababa?
Gapang nga, gapang nga.
Boy!
We are girls, of course.
Siguro pwede niya sinama. Mamatay nga tayo. Ya, budin mo chinelas pa niya. Oh!
Tangin na mo, hindi na namatay
Tayo ka, magiging kwento ka talaga. Eh, madulas yan. Babae na palaban.
Hindi na, tropa.
Napalaban tayo na mamaya. Para Spider-Man ah.
Si...
Guys, the view is so beautiful.
Desam. Oo nga, yung awan din.
It's a full of trees here and full of rock. See? Guys, we were going to do a photo shoot.
Tinan mo naman picture mo sa akin. Naka-zoom. Picture ka versus picture niya.
Guys, I'm bored.
Asam?
Picture tayo. Saan tayo dalawa?
Spider-Man.
Guys,
Spider-Man.
they are jumping, diving there.
Spider-Man nga, bro. Tando ay. Sa video. Wala naman ako.
Island. Are you in the island?
Ako nga, Andre. Picturean mo nga ako. Nakatayo dito.
Ah.
Nakapaypay.
Mukha.
Guys, we were going home. Packing their things, guys. Because we are going to go home.
Welcome back to the moon.
Guys, this is super hard to go up there.
Guys, we are headed to our houses because it's really late, so we need to go home. I take a bath because all of the dirt is on me. Oh my gosh, like my body is so sticky because of the dirt. So I'm going to dry my hair, and after that, finish. Didn't expect that we are going to trekking. Oh my gosh, I thought we are just going to the river. Guys, the light is very good. Yeah, it is. Like, it's a sunlight and sunset. Yeah, I didn't take a bath there because I go there because of the pictures. I love to do a pictures and also do a videos. So that's it, guys. This is the end of the video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. Thank you, guys.